Hey guys! So, I leave for New York tomorrow. But before I go to New York, I have to pack. And clean a little bit. And you guys are going to watch me do it. Woo! Let's have some fun. So when I'm not packing or cleaning, I'm a pretty good procrastinator. Actually, I'm a champion procrastinator. Let's see how I procrastinate. Sewing. Ow! Never forget sewing. Facebook. Shannon Collier commented on my post. Because of my lullaby. Whoa. Staring into space. Staring at the window. Trying on clothing. So I finally get to pack because I just pulled my suitcase out of my closet. It's probably the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. So, you can watch me, I guess. Anyway, thanks for joining me on my packing adventure. I will upload videos from New York as soon as possible. Maybe while I'm in New York, maybe once I get back. Probably more likely when I get back, but we'll see. Anyway, bye everybody.